Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to my class. I am Shoma Rai, lecturer in English, Paitesar Government College, Khulna. Today, I will take a class on WH question. I hope you are well at your home. Firstly, previous discussion of homework of my previous class. In my previous class, lastly, I gave you some homework, and firstly, I will discuss that homeworks. The boy, firstly, homework number 1, the boy bought some books. Here, the boy is the subject, bought, past form of the verb, then some books, object, and here some books is things. So instead of things, you will bring what? Then what is the past form? And there's no auxiliary verb in this sentence. So for the past form, you will bring did as the auxiliary verb. What did? You will follow object-directed rule, because instead of object, WH word comes here. What did, then subject the boy. WH word auxiliary verb subject. Then rest of the sentence except answer. Here some books is our answer, and I will omit the answer from the question. Then B1, because I will bring did as the auxiliary verb. So here B1 buy. Then note of interrogation. What did the boy buy? Then homework number 2, the news makes him laugh. The news here subject, makes verb, then him object. So the news here is a thing. Newspaper is a thing, and here the news is also a thing. And instead of a, you will bring what? And what comes here instead of subject, and you will follow subject-directed rule. WH word, then rest of the sentence. So here, what makes him, rest of the sentence, what makes him laugh. Then note of interrogation. Example number 3. They are playing cricket. Here, they subject are auxiliary verb, playing main verb, and cricket object. Here cricket is a thing, and instead of a thing, you will bring what? Then are is our auxiliary verb. It is object-directed rule, WH word auxiliary verb, then subject they, then playing. Rest of the sentence is playing, and verb it is cricket is our answer. Then note of interrogation, and I will omit the answer from the question. What are they playing? Number 4, Shirin lost her purse. Here Shirin subject, lost past form of the verb, and her purse is a thing here. So instead of a thing, you will bring what firstly, and it is what comes instead of object, and you will follow object-directed rule. WH word auxiliary verb, then subject Shirin. So what did Shirin, then main verb lost. What did Shirin lost? Her purse is our answer here. Homework number 5. I enjoyed a drama last night. So here I subject, enjoyed verb, a drama object, and last night is extension here. Instead of a drama, you will bring what firstly, then enjoyed, for enjoyed you will bring did as the auxiliary verb, because enjoyed is the past form of the verb, and there is no auxiliary verb in this sentence. What did, WH word auxiliary verb, I will follow the object-directed rule, because a drama is here object. W is what? Auxiliary verb. Subject I becomes you, because in case of W is question, first person becomes second person. So what did you? Then main verb enjoy. So a drama is our answer. We will omit the answer from the question. Then last night extension, rest of the sentence. Then note of interrogation. What did you enjoy last night? Then homework number 6. The dog ate the meat. Here the dog is our subject and ate verb, past form of the verb, and the meat is a thing here. So instead of object and instead of a thing, you will bring what? Firstly. Then auxiliary verb. Here it is the past form, and for the past form you will bring did as the auxiliary verb. Then the dog subject. W is what? Auxiliary verb. Subject. Then main verb or rest of the sentence except answer. Then note of interrogation. It is our second rule. So what did the dog eat? I hope you write down this in your paper. So I will clear my board now. W's question is a grammar part for class 12. My dear students, I will now discuss another and last rule of what? What plus time, age, height, length, time, age, height, length, etc. Date, plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus extension. Following this rule, I will give here some example. Firstly, time. It is 10 o'clock now. If the sentence bears time of the clock, then you will bring what? So hot, then time. Hot time. Then subject. Then auxiliary verb is, and there is a primary auxiliary is. Hot time is, then it. Hot time is it now. Then example number 2, age. The boy is 12 years old. My dear students, please write down this in your paper. The boy is 12 years old. Answer here. What plus age? Here 12 years is a age and you will bring what plus age, what age. Then auxiliary verb is, then subject the boy. What age is the boy? Then note of interrogation. Example number 3. Height. The man is 6 feet high. So, instead of height, you will bring what plus height. Firstly, what height. Then auxiliary verb is. Then subject the man. Have you understood? My dear students, it's very simple and very easy. I will follow the rule only here. Then depth. Example number 4. Here is length. Example number 4. The tree is 10 feet tall. So instead of tall, you will bring here what length. Here it express length. What length. Then auxiliary verb is. Then subject the tree. Then note of interrogation. What length? What length is the tree? Then depth. Example number 5. The pond is 8 feet deep. And for deep, you will bring what plus depth. What depth. What depth. Then auxiliary verb is. Then subject the pond. Then note of interrogation. What depth is the pond? My dear students, I hope you write down these examples in your paper. I will clear my board now. Here is WH word what finished. Now I will discuss next WH word whose. Next WH word whose. Whose means कार और कारो अधिकारी कोनो किछु থাকলে in one's possession you will bring whose. or instead of apostrophe s you will bring whose. Rule, firstly I will give a rule. Whose plus noun, then auxiliary verb, whose plus noun, auxiliary verb, then subject. Then rest of the sentence except answer plus rest of the sentence except answer. Following this rule, I will give some example. Firstly, Karim's car broke down. My dear students, please write down it in your paper. Karim's car broke down. Then number 2, I borrowed my brother's umbrella. Number 3, they are Selena's babies. Number 4, she wears her sister's shari. Here it is, for example, Karim's car broke down. We will follow the rule. Firstly, whose, here Karim's is apostrophe s, here Karim's instead of apostrophe s you will bring whose, and here car is in the position of Karim, and car অধিকারে কোনো কিছু থাকলে or in one's position you will bring firstly whose. Then noun, car, here car is the noun, so whose car. Here whose comes instead of subject, so you will follow first rule. W is word auxiliary verb, W is word plus noun, here plus auxiliary verb, here there is no auxiliary verb here, and broke is the past form of the verb break, so you will bring did as the auxiliary verb. So here whose car did, then Karim subject. Whose plus noun plus auxiliary verb subject. If WS word comes instead of object, then you will follow this rule. And if WS word comes instead of subject, here in case of object, here this rule is in case of object, and I will write down another rule. If WS word comes in in case of object, in case of subject, then W is word whose plus noun plus rest of the sentence except answer. Rest of the sentence except answer is no needed here. Then note of interrogation. My dear students, here whose comes instead of subject, so I will follow this rule, whose plus noun plus rest of the sentence. So here rest of the sentence broke down. So whose car broke down. Then note of interrogation. Then example number 2. I borrowed my brother's umbrella. Here brothers. Here umbrella is in the position of brother. Here brothers is in the object, and you will follow object-directed rule. W is word firstly whose. Instead of apostrophe s, you will bring whose, then noun umbrella. Whose umbrella, then auxiliary verb did, because here there is no auxiliary verb in this sentence, and borrowed is the past form of the verb. Then whose umbrella did, I becomes you, because in W's question first person becomes second person. So whose umbrella did you, then borrow verb, and rest of the sentence except answer. This following this rule. Did you borrow? Then note of interrogation. And my brother's umbrella is answer, and my brother's is our answer, and I will omit the answer from the question. Example number 3. They are Selina's babies. Here Selina's and apostrophe s is in the object. So I will follow this rule. Please, my dear students, write down this in your paper hurriedly. Whose, then babies. Here R is the primary auxiliary verb. So whose babies are auxiliary verb, and then subject they. Then note of interrogation. So whose babies are they? Example number 4. She wears her sister's sari. Here sisters is in the object, and you will follow this rule. Firstly whose, then noun sari. Whose sari, then wears, for wears you will bring does as the auxiliary verb, and as no auxiliary verb is in the sentence, so whose sari does, then subject she. Whose plus noun plus auxiliary verb plus subject. Whose plus noun plus auxiliary verb does, and subject she. Then wear, main verb. Then note of interrogation. Here sisters is our answer, and I will omit the answer from the question. So whose sari does she wear? My dear students, I hope you write down this in your paper. Now I will clear my board. Now I will give another example of whose. his friend's bicycle. Example number 2. Here it is better for me to give you the food. Then example number 2. Rohim bought his uncle's book. Example number 3. Amin's shop is at the head of the street. Here, friend's bicycle is here in the object, so we will follow the object-directed rule. Whose plus noun firstly, whose, then the bicycle is noun, whose bicycle, then drove is the first form, so you will bring did as the auxiliary verb. Whose bicycle did, then subject he. Whose bicycle did he drive? First form of the verb drove. Whose bicycle did he drive? Then example number 2. Rohim bought his uncle's book. So here instead of uncle's and apostrophe s, you will bring whose. Then book, noun. Whose book? Then what is the past form and you will bring did as the auxiliary verb. Then subject Rohim. Then subject Rohim. Whose book did Rohim buy? Buy is the present form of the verb and his uncle's is our answer, and I will omit the answer from the question. So whose book did Rohim buy? Then example number 3. Amin's shop is at the head of the street. So here Amin's shop, Amin's apostrophe s is in the subject. So you will bring firstly whose, noun, shop, and here is Amin's shop is in the subject, and you will follow subject-directed rule. Object, so whose shop is, then rest of the sentence. WH or plus noun plus rest of the sentence. So at the head of the street. Then note of interrogation. So whose shop is at the head of the street. My dear students, I hope you have understood whose, and now I will give you some homework because our time is over. Here our time is nearly over. First homework number 1. Homework number 1. I shall borrow Shimul's car. brother's failure made me sad. Number 3, my son's success made me happy. Then number 4, I want my friend's grammar book. I want my friend's grammar book. Then number 5, Darren's dog is barking over there. Then number 6, he sang Nazrul's song. So, my dear students, our time is over. So, I hope you practice this at your home. Now I will finish my class. My dear students, thank you very much for following my class. Thank you very much.